think you're advanced. All right, here we go. So we're gonna do these bigger versions of the chords, the more traditional full versions of our chords. Let's start with E. Same deal as with the one finger E chord. That note is still there, but you're adding two others. Again, remember when you're looking at the dots on your chord chart, you've got the dots that tell you where your fingers go. You have the numbers inside the dots that tell you which fingers to use. 1, 2, 3, or 4. This full E chord is 2, 3, 1. Second fret A string, second fret D string, first fret G string. Yeah, and now you get to play the whole guitar. You get to play all 6 strings. And it sounds huge. Great. A chord is the same. B7 has a couple notes added, and then we have our bonus chord, E7. You'll hear where that comes into the end of the first line. And most importantly, we have a different strumming pattern here. So this gets a little bit more complex. You have down arrows and up arrows. Those are down strokes and up strokes. And when you're strumming a guitar, you're using a combination of down and up to get that flow. So here's how this one works. We're counting 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a, these are 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a down and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and at first it might feel clunky, like why am I going down and up at the times? Why can't I just go down all the time? You'll see as you start to speed it up a little bit how the flow happens and your hand can just keep going. So we'll go slow one time and we'll pick it up. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. And as you start to pick up the speed, start to get that flow. I hear that train a-comin', it's coming round the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine. E7, I don't know when I'm stuck in Folsom. Time keeps dragging on, but that train keeps a-rolling on down the San Antonio. You got this. Good luck, have fun. See you next time.